Morning guys, in front of me is ZTE Nubia Flip 2 and let me show you how to add photo to contact. At first open your phone gallery. Then if you are not in contact panel, just go to contacts and choose the one that you want to add this profile picture to, select edit and mark add picture. Now choose it either from your gallery, from Google Photos. You can also create a monogram or add some illustration, whatever you prefer, whatever you want. Then I'll go with gallery, so let me open the gallery. Then just pick the picture that you want to cover your contact with, tap on choose, mark save, and that's it. That will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.